This video will cover where to access and create a new assessment. So we are right now on the login screen. I'm currently using the demo site. I logged in and you will get to this dashboard page. Dashboard page is just your rudimentary main page. And where you want to go to is assessments. Then you're going to select create a new assessment. Creating a new assessment will open up to create answer sheet and answer key, what we talked about during our training. And so for the purpose of this video, we're only covering manual setup. We're not doing exit tickets, which are on the fly, and we're not doing an online assessment, which would be an item bank. So we're doing manual setup, and we are going to be doing how many questions are in your assessment. I will say, for example, 10. I can always go back and delete this, and I press OK.